The values of Ksp of two sparingly soluble salts nickel hydroxide and AgCN are 2 into 10 power minus 15, 6 into 10 power minus 17 respectively. Which salt is more soluble? Explain. Now here if you have nickel hydroxide and AgCN, solubility products are given. First we'll take each one and compare them. So AgCN if I am taking, it will dissociate to give Ag plus ion and Cn minus ion. Solubility is yes, solubility is yes. So Ksp is given as Ksp is equals to S square, which is equals to 6 into 10 power minus 17. 6 into 10 power minus 17. Therefore S will be equals to this value is equals to root over 6 into 10 power minus 17. As I told you, try to convert this into a divisible of 2. I can make this as root over 60 into 10 power minus, I can write 18, then it becomes 10 power minus 9. Somewhere you will be getting around S value, you can see 8864, 7 sevens 49, 7.8 into 10 power minus 9 approximately. If you take nickel hydroxide, in the same way nickel hydroxide, this will split into Ni2 plus ion, 2OH minus ion. If S is the solubility here, 2S is the solubility. Ksp is given as 4S cube, which is equals to, this is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 15. 2 into 10 power minus 15. So when you take this particular one, S cube is equals to 2 by 4 into 10 power minus 15, that is 0.5 into 10 power minus 15. So S is equals to, you will be getting an answer approximately, this value comes to be, you can take the value of this around 500 into, or 5, yeah, 500 I can move into 10 power minus 18. 5 into 10 power minus 16 becomes 500 into 10 power minus 18. So S cube will be, S will be cubed root of 500. Cubed root of 500 into 10 power minus 6. This is clearly indicating whatever may be the value of this one, your 10 power minus 6 here and 10 power minus 9 here, the S value of this is very much less than the S value of nickel hydroxide, which clearly indicates nickel hydroxide is more soluble, is more soluble, this is more soluble than AgCN. So the conclusion is very simple, nickel hydroxide is more soluble than AgCN.